How to change background color in Instagram story. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click to add story. Now let me quickly choose a random picture. Say for example, this one right here. Now once you are on this page, what you need to do is you need to click on the three dots at the top right, and from there click on draw. And you will get to this page where you will see at the bottom you have a bunch of colors options that you can select and choose from. So choose any color, and once you do that you need to click and hold outside the picture on any place on the screen. And once you do that, you will see that the color that you've choose has been applied as a solid background. So let me do it again. Let me change the color and click and hold. As you can see, the color of the background has been changed again. Now what you need to do right here is you need to click on the check mark at the top right. And from here, you need to click on the sticker icon at the top. And here you need to look for the add picture icon, this one right here. Click on it, and here you will be able to add your pictures. So let me add this one right here. Let me just edit this one a bit. Let's do it again. Click on the sticker icon, click to add picture, and then select your picture right here, and let's edit this one right here. It's, as you can see, it's that easy and simple, and feel free to edit your storage like you usually do, and once you're done you can share it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the color of the background on Instagram stories. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.